The Lenovo LOQ Essential 15IAX9E is a solid choice for gamers and students on a budget. The Intel Core i5-12450HX, an 8-core CPU with a hybrid architecture. That means 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, pushing up to 4.4 GHz. It's designed to handle multitasking, gaming, and even some light content creation with ease. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card, 4 GB GDDR6, 65 watts TGP. While it's not a flagship GPU, it's still capable of handling modern games at 1080p medium to high settings. Plus, you get access to DLSS and ray tracing, something entry-level gamers will definitely appreciate. You're getting 12 GB of DDR5 RAM out of the box, running at 4,800 MHz. That's fast and future-ready. It's upgradable up to 32 GB if you want to go all out. For storage, it comes with a speedy 512 GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. There are 2 M.2 slots, so adding another drive later on is super easy. Ports USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, audio combo, jack Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1. It's powered by a 57 watt-hour battery and comes with a 135 watt power adapter. Expect around 4 to 5 hours on moderate use. Pretty standard for gaming laptops in this range. 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. 300 nits brightness, 100% sRGB color accuracy, and a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. It's not just a gaming laptop, it's also great for media and creative work. HD 720p webcam with a privacy shutter, a small but thoughtful addition. The keyboard is white backlit and has a nice tactile feel, perfect for late-night sessions. The touchpad is spacious and supports Windows precision gestures.